60 seconds of Skroove.
What's up, cowboy? Little green screen sound test. Sound check, mic 1, 2. Mic 1, 2.
Going vertical?
Going vertical, man.
Vertical. Trying to stay hip with the times.
Is he going behind the scenes?
We're going behind the scenes.
Way behind.
Nobody's ever been this far behind the scenes.
You ready?
Yeah, you're live.
Welcome to 30-second reels about the Skroove digital magazine. Today we're going to talk about the cover and our shoot with Tommy's boats.
All right, we're making some content highlighting our weekly digital magazine. Issue 2 was out Tuesday. Every Tuesday, we're dropping a new digital magazine. Stay tuned. Stay Skroovy. Tyler getting silly with it on the green screen.
Also featured in issue 2 was the write-up about our brand new Skroove mural done by